In this lecture, we apply Taylor's theorem to find the approximate value of root 25.15. Let fx be a function of x differentiable n times, then Taylor series of f of x plus a in powers of a is given by f of x plus a is equal to f of x plus a times of f dash of x plus a square upon 2 factorial f double dash of x plus a cube upon 3 factorial f triple dash of x and so on. Let us give it equation number 1. We have f of x plus a is equal to root x plus a, and which is equal to root 25.15, or which can be also written as 25 plus 0.15. So here we can check that x can be written as 25 and a can be calculated as, or a can be assumed as 0.15. Here x is equal to 25 and a is equal to 0.15. So from 2, we have f of x is equal to root of x. If we differentiate f of x with respect to x, derivative of x to the power 1 by 2 is 1 by 2 x to the power 1 by 2 minus 1. And if we simplify it, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 minus 1 is x to the power minus 1 by 2. Similarly, if we differentiate twice, means f double dash of x, derivative of x to the power minus 1 by 2 into is 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 2 is minus 1 by 4, and x to the power minus 1 by 2 minus 1, which is minus 3 by 2. Similarly, if we again differentiate this term with respect to x, so minus 1 by 4 into minus 3 by 2 is 3 by 8, and x to the power minus 3 by 2 minus 1, which is minus 3 minus 2 minus 5 by 2. Putting the above values in 1, we have f of x is equal to root x, f of x is equal to f of x plus a is equal to root of x plus a. F of x is root a is a, f dash of x is 1 upon 2 x to the power minus 1 by 2 plus a square upon 2 factorial. F double dash of x is minus 1 upon 4 x to the power minus 3 by 2 plus a cube upon 3 factorial. 3 upon f triple dash of x is 3 upon 8 x to the power minus 5 by 2. Now we can again simplify it. Root x a upon this x to the power minus 1 by 2 come to denominator, and it will become root x a upon 2 root x minus a square. 8 into this 2 factorial into 4 will become 8, and this x to the power minus 3 by 2, so it can be written as root x whole to the power 3 plus a cube upon 3 factorial is 6, and out of this 6 and 3 will cancel, we are getting 2. 2 into 8 is 16, and x to the power minus 5 by 2 will come to denominator and will become root x whole to the power 5. Now we know what are the values of root x. The value of root x, or value of x, is 25. So let us put the value, and a is equal to 0.15. Put x equal to 25 and a equal to 0.15. We have root 25.15, which is equal to 5. Root 25 is 5. A is equal to 0.15. 2 root x is equal to 5. So 2 into 5 minus 0.15 whole square. 8 root x is 5 to the power whole cube plus 0.15 whole cube. 16 multiplied by 5 to the power 5. If we simplify it, 5 plus 0.15 divided by 10 minus 0.15 whole square upon 8 into 125, 5 into 5 into 5 is 125, plus 0.15 whole cube upon 16 into 5 multiplied by 5 times, it will become 3125, which is equal to 5 plus 0.15 upon 10 minus 0.0225 upon 1000 plus 0.003375 upon 50,000 and so on. If we simplify it, then 5 plus 0.015 minus 0.4 times 0225 plus 0.000000675, and if we add all this value, we are getting 5.0149775675. So this is the desired value of root 25 upon root 25.15, which is equal to 5.0149775675. Thank you.